21 in your phone. This is not a hard task, this is so easy, and I'll just use a trick in making this video. So let's start. So friends, to do that you just gonna have to go to Google and just search for Photopia, and here you see here is the website Photopia. Now just tap here. You see the website is coming, and here you see here is the website. Now if you wanna start a new project, tap just here. Now select all the things you wanna. I no need to select, just now just tap the create button. Now you can see all the tools are here. Here is the eraser tool, here is the coloring tool, etc, etc, etc. You can see, and see here the tools: file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, window, account. Also here are some more other tools, and if you want to get the, and if you are using it on PC, then it will look really absolutely Photoshop. And so this is the PC version of Photoshop. If I just rotate it, you can see how good it is. New project, FB page cover, create. Here are the here are all the tools. So just thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like this video, and please share this video.